Hey there, Dot, it's me. I hope you're doing really well. Today, I want to talk to you about side hustles that you can start today using AI. Specifically, these are for different side hustles that anybody can do, especially if you don't have any skills or experience and you want to start making money online. Because it's easier than ever. Artificial intelligence has made it possible for you to start a side hustle that can eventually become a full-time business and allow you to live life on your own terms. So these are not get-rich-quick schemes. They're not shortcuts. But what they are different side hustles that you can start right away. And I'll give you everything you need to know about each one of them in just a minute. So the first side hustle is becoming a writer, but not in the traditional sense. The way I explain it is that you are going to use artificial intelligence to write using Chat. You can write anything and everything. You can write blogs, emails, YouTube video scripts, product descriptions, social media posts, greeting cards, resumes, you name it. There is no limitation. All you need to do is sign up on websites such as Fiverr or Upwork. You can also join freelance communities on Discord. You can put your services out there. For example, I would suggest that you offer a 500-word blog post including sale for $10 or $30. What you can do is that you can use Chat to write that blog post. Of course, you should edit it yourself. You want to add value to it. Make sure it's perfect before you send it over to the client. And then what you can do is that you can use ChatGPT to write even faster. If you tell the client that you can deliver the blog post within 24 hours and that it is going to now be unique and high quality, you can actually charge more for it. And the thing here is that many people are willing to pay $10 to $50 for their service. And if you get 5 clients paying you $30 each week, that's an extra $150 in your pocket. And then it's just scaling from there. And the same goes for any of these side hustles that I share with you today. The second side hustle that I want to talk about is selling AI-generated designs. Do you want to sell merch without having to hold any inventory? This is the perfect side hustle for you. On websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon, you can upload images that you create using either Canva or Midjourney and start selling t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. People love personalized items, and AI allows you to offer customized designs that they won't find anywhere else. Here's how it works. Once you've created a design, simply upload it to one of the websites I mentioned. Set your price, and then sit back and wait for the orders to come in. As soon as someone places an order, the platform will handle the printing, packaging, and delivery. This means you don't have to worry about any of the production or shipping costs. And because you've already set your price, you'll receive the profit from each sale directly into your account. You can also take advantage of the marketing power of platforms like Etsy. With millions of visitors every month, you'll have a huge potential market for your products. It's easy to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. And once you start getting some traction, you can even expand to other platforms. To maximize your reach, this is one of the best ways to monetize your creativity without having to deal with the hassles of running your own business. Just like our channel, you can write your script using ChatGPT, generate visuals using Pictory, and use 11 Labs or another AI voice tool to record your voiceover. Upload your videos consistently, optimize your titles and thumbnails, and you're ready to go. Monetize through AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorships, and you never have to show your face. The third side hustle that I want to talk about is helping others create beautiful resumes. Not everyone has the skills or knowledge to create a great resume, which is important when applying for jobby. So you can help people stand out from the competition by creating them a professional-looking resume. that showcases their skills and experience in the best possible light. You can use Chat to generate resumes in seconds and Canva to format them beautifully. Charge $10, $50 for your services and find clients through LinkedIn, job groups on Facebook, or even TikTok. This is a great opportunity to help others while also earning some extra income. You can make a real difference in someone's life by helping them land their dream job. So if you're really looking for a side hustle that gives you the chance to be creative and help others at the same time, this could be the perfect option for you. The fourth side hustle that I want to talk about is creating courses and selling them online. Think about the amount of information that people are willing to pay for, whether it's about productivity, budgeting, learning new tools, or anything that can help them improve their lives. With ChatGPT, you can outline and write an entire course effortlessly, organize it using Notion or Google Slides, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. This is a great way to share your knowledge and experience with others, while also earning passive income once it is set up. Now this is one of the most profitable side hustles because the sky is the limit when it comes to pricing. You can charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars for your courses. Now imagine creating a single course that you can sell over and over again for years to come. That's the beauty of selling courses online. And the best part is that you don't need to be an expert in anything to create a course. You just need to have some basic knowledge about a topic that you can share with others. The rest will be generated using artificial intelligence, and it will be edited and organized using other tools that we share with you on this channel. It's important to note that none of these side hustles are get-rich-quick schemes. They're not shortcuts. They're not. But what they are different side hustles that you can start right away. And I'll give you everything you need to know about each one of them in just a minute. But I do want to remind you that these side hustles require time and effort to start seeing results. So if you're looking for a quick fix, then this video is not for you. However, if you're willing to put in the work, then these side hustles can potentially earn you a substantial income. And the best part is that you can do them from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a device to start. Now, here's the thing. I know that sometimes it can be hard to believe that AI tools can really make you money. But I'm here to tell you that it is possible. In fact, I've seen it happen firsthand. That is why I am so passionate about sharing these tools and strategies with you guys, because I want to see you succeed too. So if you're ready to take the first step towards financial freedom, then I encourage you to try out these side hustles. Give them a shot and see what works for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things because you never know what might work. And remember, it's all about taking action. So don't just watch this video and do nothing. Start today and see where it takes you. Who knows? You might just be surprised at what you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I wish you all the best in your journey towards financial success. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I wish you all the best in your journey towards financial success.